What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is currently like 8 p.m. We're about to hit up a car meet in the Z. I honestly cannot remember the last time I took this car to a car meet, at least at night. I have been to a few Cars and Coffees within like the last year, but honestly I do not remember the last time I took my Z to one of these meets. For those of you guys that are local to SoCal, you guys might have heard of Stance Tuesdays. The homie Jimmy sent me the meet and I said, you know what, I haven't taken out the Z to one of these meets in so long, so let's take it.
Bruh. Was that on purpose? Well, if that's not a sign.
Well, that's weird. First time. I don't know how long ago to the night meet this happened. This is a sign, guys?
Mm-hmm.
See how go? To take a cue instead. Ugh.
Yep.
If it starts, then I'll take it. If not, then I'll take the cue. Just because I already saw my boy Jimmy I was wearing. There it is.
My job is to make sure there's no oil on the floor.
Alright guys, linking up with some of the squad. Got Jimmy's new F80, it's like his third F80. Got a Z06 with the gap cam. Big gap cam, bro, sounds good. But yeah, we got Jimmy's like third or fourth F80 now. He just got this I think like last week. He already has T's on it. Has a whole carbon fiber kit, I believe. What do you guys think, bro? This is one of the cars that I plan to swap the queue for. So we got quite a deep squad. My Z, Jimmy's F80, this M240, Mustang, Cam Z06, a Beamer. Keep rolling deep, bro. I wish I could race, bro. I wish, but I still haven't taken it to the shop. Shout out Adrian. Hasn't had time to fix it. To some bikers. Just trying to get that 50, bro. Man, why can't I do pulls? We should have never turned it up on the street. Jimmy. And that car sounds so freaking good, bro. Jimmy now. I think it's sick, bro. I'm not sure what's up to it, but I do know it has a cam. And I believe Jimmy's car is just exhaust. I don't even know if it has downpipes. Unless he tuned it like on the low or something. Alright guys, made it to the meet. I was one of those guys today. Took up 2 parking spots. But we made it. I ended up parking inside by myself. And I scraped really bad coming in here, bro. I regretted coming in here. Looks okay, I guess. Yeah, I scraped really bad. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel bad parking like that now. But it was either that or, I mean, park somewhere. I mean, as it is, it's all dark. Yeah, the homies parked outside. They were smarter than me. They didn't scrape. So getting Jamie's F80. I really want one of these guys. It's one of my choices when I get rid of the Q50, which, by the way, should be happening pretty much as soon as I fix it, to be honest. I know I haven't seen this for a while, but I'm being dead serious. Once it's fixed, I just want something else. The Z06, I was on the freeway. Sounds so good, bro, with the 10 speed. Is it 10 speed? 8 speed? Not sure. I think it's 8 speed actually. Now check out this E92 Workmeister's bag. Very clean. I love how these cars sound, bro. Honestly, I think these are my favorite sounding V8s ever. One of them at least. This one in the GT350. The Mustang we were rolling with. I really like this blue, bro. This blue with the black house headlights suit the car very well. M240 that was also with us. X-Drive. Once this dude tunes this car, port injection, even if he upgrades the turbos especially, bro, it's gonna be a freaking rocket. I think it's one of the best cars for the money right now. Whoa, sick ass doing NOS. Yeah, this is one of the best cars for the money, especially if you're trying to gap people. Sickest car here. Reminds me of Mario Kart, I don't know why. Got a fellow Z. You know I gotta show love to my Z boys. Wide body. I feel like this car looks familiar. Rocket Bunny kit. Nice, sir. Beamer guys. Beamer guys in their launch control. Got an M2. Another car that's a good bang for your buck. I'm not gonna lie, I did not like these cars at first. But now that I see it next to the M4, I don't know if I'll take it over the M4, but I'll definitely take one of these. That was fast. Usually Redlands, because we're in Redlands right now, Redlands speed is pretty chill, but I don't know. That apple was squatting behind that cop. Look at that shit. Seems chill so far. Damn, that shit is... How is it not scraping? Not gonna lie, kinda like it. Mario Kart. Another one. Yeah, party over. It lasted a whopping 37 minutes.
That's gonna...
He just said everybody got to get in their vehicles and leave because we're all loitering and trespassing. But yep, that's Cali Car Meets for you guys. Only lasts like 30 minutes now. Sucks, but that's what takeovers have done to the scene. They just hope my car starts. Alright guys, came back home. So a lot of you guys might know that my fuel gauge does not work, so I honestly did not know how much gas I have. Besides that, for some reason, when the car is warm and I turn it off, it does not want to start right away. So I thought I shouldn't risk it. They were gonna go out to eat, I think. I just wanted to just come home because when I started it after the meet, it looked, he had a little bit of trouble starting, but it started. Long story short, I just didn't want to risk it. So I came back home. Now we're gonna go in this piece of junk. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually a really good car, but it just sucks that it's giving me the problem that it's giving me. And nobody wants to help fix it. It's crazy, bro. I've hit up a few people, some of which specialize in these type of cars, and I get ignored. I don't know why. Like, do they not? Like, if you just don't want to help me, just tell me. But yeah, that's why I'm honestly at a standstill with this car. But besides the problems, honestly, I just want to move on to something else, a different platform. But watch, I'm gonna show you guys a little 4-year-old real quick. Oh, there it goes, you see? Now activated. Fun, bro. It's gonna hurt me to sell it, but yeah, that's where I'm currently standing. Nobody wants to help me, so when nobody wants to help you, just gotta do it yourself. So I'm gonna start doing a little bit more research and just try to tackle the problem myself, to be honest. Or if there's anybody watching this that knows a trustworthy mechanic or somebody that works on these cars, or if one of you guys works on these cars in the SoCal area, let me know. I'm trying to get this thing fixed already. Bro, what are the odds? Me and my girl randomly come get In-N-Out and the homies are here. That we were just... What are the odds, bro? Literally ran to the homies at In-N-Out. I went home, swapped cars, and I caught these dudes. Oh, that's cool. Look at this plate. Z-Slow 6. But yeah, guys, I really want one of these. That's my next car. This or a Supra? Help me. Somebody please help me. I'm kind of leaning on this one, to be honest. What are you staring at? What are you staring at?